I love a 3-ingredient recipe, and this one's a standout. It's stir-fried noodles with black bean sauce. There's so much flavour in black bean sauce. It has a really umami, savoury flavour to it, and a little goes a long way. So I've just been heating up my wok, and I'm going to add a good amount of spring onion. So I'm going to keep the green part just for the last minute, and at this stage I want to add some batons. So cut them into 2-centimetre batons. This is one of those very quick dinners you can put together within 5 to 10 minutes. So a bit of oil, I'm using peanut oil, just a splash, and we'll fry off our spring onions. Now, because they're quite delicate, they'll take no time at all to get some colour. Now, the noodles I'm using for this are rice noodles because I want to keep this 100% gluten-free. The sauce is gluten-free and the rice noodles are gluten-free. You could also use egg noodles for this. And what I've done is just blanch them in some water. I've undercooked them slightly because I'm going to be cooking them in the sauce in a moment. All right, for the rest of these spring onions, I'm going to finely chop them. And this will be the garnish right at the end. We might as well make use of all of the spring onions. All right, those spring onions, you can see that they're caramelised, so we can go in with our noodles. And we'll just toss them in the oil. And in with the sauce. This is a soy black beans, fermented soy black beans. It's got loads of flavour. So we're just going to add a little bit. And that is instantly going to flavour our noodles. So we'll give that a toss. And we just want everything to stir fry nicely so it's got an even coating. These noodles are actually quite forgiving. You see how I'm just really stirring that through. They're not breaking up. You really want to mix that sauce into the noodles and it smells fantastic. And that's it, dinner done. So just grab a bowl. You could add some chilli sauce to on the side, but honestly, it doesn't need it. There's so much flavour in the black bean sauce. Pop that in the middle. Lots of those spring onions. And if you're a lover of fried noodles, then you're going to love the simplicity of this dish. Some more spring onions in there. 3-ingredient dinner. When you want something that's full of flavour, minimum fuss, this is what I turn to, black bean fried noodles.